Today I'll be demoing the XRank web platform, which is essentially a tool that allows users to visually explore and understand complex queries and large multi-network datasets. In particular, I'll be going over our newly developed algorithm for query-sensitive explanatory rankings and complex multi-layer networks. The idea behind this algorithm is to model both data information, represented by co-purchases of books, DVDs, music, and videos, with knowledge information, represented by customer and genre metadata, as a multi-layer network. Once we have this multi-layer network formulation, we can then query the network for user-specific explanatory ranking. We also note that all queries are run using the Amazon co-purchase dataset from the Stanford Snap repository, which contains both an undirected co-purchase network in addition to rich metadata for customer reviews and product genres. Now that we have a little overview, let's begin by selecting a query node from the drop-down list. We'll go ahead and use Ghost World for this run. In addition, we'll be using all the available network information as seen by the selected layers below. Let's go ahead and hit run now. While we're waiting for the results, the backend is computing a 3-stage algorithmic process to give us the explanatory rankings for the Ghost World query. The first step in this process is to identify a relevant subgraph around the query node. This allows us to reduce the large multi-network graph to a much smaller one containing only the relevant information to the query ranking and explanation. After the subgraph is identified, we then run the cross-query algorithm to generate the subgraph rankings, followed by the use of the ROAR algorithm to generate the ranking explanations. Now that the query is finished running, let's hit OK and see the resulting visualization ranking lists. On the right-hand side, we can see the tables have been updated with the user-specific query ranking information. We list the top 10 rankings for each data graph and color coordinate them with the network visualization on the left. If we move over to the network visualization, we can see the query node in red, and all the corresponding items for the ranking tables designated by their rank. The items in light and dark blue represent the knowledge information represented by the customer and product genres respectively. In addition, a dotted line represents a cross-network edge, and a solid edge represents an inter-network connection. We make an exception for this rule in the query node to highlight its connections to the surrounding graph. In order to view the explanation information, we can right-click the query node and see the reasons we believe this product is a good fit. Here we display items that other people who bought this item prefer, in addition to the reasons we believe you'll like this product. Further information on how to use the XRank web platform can be found on the instructions page. In addition, the source code will be made publicly available by the conference date. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.